Feeling drained or out of sync? It's time to take charge of your energy. In just 30 minutes, you can unlock a new, vibrant you. Join Fran Bailey, an intuitive energy healer and creator of the Sheva Method, for her exclusive Summer Speed Healing Session. It's your chance to clear away negativity and reset your energy field rapidly. Imagine feeling lighter, brighter, and fully aligned. Fran's unique abilities allow her to scan your energy field expertly. She clears stagnant emotions, removes energetic debris, and brings balance to your chakras. You'll be realigned with your natural vitality and flow. It's more than energy healing. It's loving, energetic precision. You'll adjust to a healthier, harmonious state quickly. Gain instant clarity and confidence as you release what weighs you down. Experience a powerful reset even in your busy schedule. Only $77 for this transformative 30-minute session. Take this opportunity to step into summer with radiant energy. Join us today and let go of what no longer serves you. Book your Summer Speed Healing Session now. Go to www.franbaileyhealer.com. Your vibrant health journey starts here.